Hi there, I'm Doug of Stone and Wired Adventures. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, it's last day of April 2022, and we have a small adventure, not a rock hounding, we're doing fossil hunting. Today we're on Highway 402 to Sarnia, heading to Hungry Hollow, which we will be doing some digging for fossils. The Stone and Wired Adventures has all the regulars here today, plus we have a guest. Today we have Jacob Trainer. Welcome, Jacob.
Hi. I am Jacob Trainer, and we're gonna do fossil hunting. I'm tired. Who's beside you? Hi. Got my tools right here, and I'm ready. But still, this is actually pretty cool. I might post some of the things that I did on my Jacob Trainer channel, so check that channel out too. I do like cool things on that. It's kind of funny that I got the shoe stuck. And those things right there, those things are the worst. I can't get anywhere near that.
Always put your bag down and bring your stuff to your bag. Always have two hands. So if you fall, at least you get your hands.
I would just do
down
this.
to around Selkirk and that, wherever you can find the beach along the lake.
Yeah, yeah.
There's fossils in the rock like this big.
Well, you can't take it home, can you?
No, but I mean if you want to go look and take pictures.
Oh, yeah. We're leaving at how much
That's
time?
cool. What is that?
It's a stem of a coral.
Oh, that's
Big one.
cool.
It's a big one.
Where did you find that?
Just digging around here.
Oh.
I just do this. Scrape the rocks on the surface and then I go through the rocks really slowly. Hold, grab a handful, look in your hand, just go through them slow.
What's the Devonian age?
Well, there's like, you've heard of dinosaurs, Triassic,
Yeah.
Cretaceous. Devonian was about 200 million years ago.
Oh.
Somewhere between 200 and 300 million years, basically.
Okay.
Find me a trilobite.
What's a trilobite?
Big bug.
Okay, I'll try. Did you get that? I'll trilobite. But I gotta get up on those rocks because he said there's probably trilobite up there. So I gotta find it. Find it for my Nana. So I have a really big thank you. I'm gonna thank him again. Thank you again for the trilobite. So you said it might be all the way where on top of the rocks are, or all the way down there?
Oh yeah, you can find them at the bottom. You can find them anywhere. When you get stuck.
Okay.
There's another little piece in this one.
Nice.
They're broken up, but there's another one right there.
Thank you. Thanks again. I gotta put that. I'm putting it in the important pocket. Put it in the bag.
That was right here.
It was?
That's volcanic.
You have a mechanic one?
Volcanic.
Oh. From a volcano?
It's igneous, we'll put it that way.
That's cool. Did you find it in a big rock of it?
No, we're just laying here. Probably from the glacial flow.
Nice. Look! I found the green rock. I found another one of the green rocks that someone found. They said it was a volcanic rock.
Oh, yeah.
So I found a volcano rock. I'm gonna go back in there. I'm all clay. Like I have clay all over me, but we gotta find those big rocks. Really thankful to that one guy that gave me that really big rock.
How's it going, buddy?
Good.
Are you looking for anything specific?
Flat things that have a lot of rocks inside of them.
Okay, look up here.
Yeah, I know, that's what I've been doing.
Oh, yeah.
I have so many of them, but my Nana keeps on asking for them.
You can trade her then.
She's asking for that and Tyro light.
Going rates $1 a piece.
Yeah, $1 a pound. And what was the other thing?
Tyro bite.
Oh, trilobites.
Yeah.
Trilobites.
The nice man over there gave me
Awesome.
pieces of it.
They're hard to find, but they are in here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you just gotta look where everything's kind of washing down, and then sooner or later you're gonna find something amazing.
Have you watched? So cool. Ah! Oh, I'm all wet now. Again. Have you got stuck in the mud yet? Oh, I've got stuck like 2 times already. Oh, dude, guys, these are so cool. I have so many left in my pocket too. I'm gonna give some to like my parents and all of that. I can't wait to show you guys what these look like washed. So, look, that's my papa's drone. He records on there too. So you'll see up there view and me view from what I've been finding and what he's looking at. Look at that. Nice job, Papa. I want to find some like, what is it, pyrite. Because I know there's pyrite in the little mountain over there. Have you found any pyrite yet?
I don't even know what that is. No.
Gold stuff. No. What types of pyrite is there? What's red pyrite called?
Red pyrite?
Yeah.
It's either oxidized or it'll turn into like a blackish color, which is hematite.
I just found some.
That is awesome. Okay, so that's probably a goniatite.
Okay.
That's could be a trilobite part.
Yeah.
And you've got a number of brachiopod
broken bits.
Are those
and then
rare?
you got a couple of tentaculites, which are really little tiny guys. This one has a lot more tentaculites. See these little guys?
Yeah.
They're known as tentaculites. You got some domed brachiopods,
That's cool.
and of course you got all kinds of pieces.
Yeah.
So they're both known as hash plates.
Oh, thank you so much.
Rocks, trees, and old people. That's us. Stone and Wired Adventures.